Hello everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my channel and want to book 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. And kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. We are really working hard. Okay, and guys, I have already shuffled the cards, I have laid it out, but I was recording, but something happened in my phone and it got stopped. But I would love to continue my reading with the current cards only. I don't want to change it because these are your current energies, and I don't want to shuffle it again and want to take cards again, because this will change the energies, which I don't want to. Okay, these are your current energies and I'll be talking about this only. Okay, so guys, yes, Gemini's, you are feeling heartbroken, betrayed, you are feeling unfulfilled emotionally, unstable emotionally, in your romantic part. Okay, you feel that in the past someone left you out in the cold, or you left out someone in the cold. You are feeling deep inside a lot of wants are there of this breakup. You are making it difficult for yourself in the month of August to overcome this situation of heartbreak. Okay, and yeah, one more thing, guys, is that you are you feel that in this connection you were used. You were someone took an advantage of you. Someone was not trustworthy. Someone not was loyal. Someone was really not that good. Okay, according to you. So that's why you feel really heartbroken, sad and depressed into your romantic love life. Also, I feel that if you have a lot of positive energies, you are feeling very weak because all those things are happening with you, guys. One, so you are feeling a lot of heartbroken, betrayed energy into your romantic love life. Career, so your career part, Geminis, you are feeling a lot of confused energy. You are have a conflicted energy between your head and heart. Okay, you feel that something you want to do, but you cannot do because you have a lot of conflicted energy between your head and heart. Okay, you are really sad, disappointed with whatever you are doing. Okay, I think there are a few people around you who doesn't want, who are interfering into your career life. Okay, who doesn't want you to grow, who who are giving their own opinions, who are not asking about your opinion. So things are not really good. You are manifesting, you want to manifest certain wishes when it comes to your career life. Okay, but you cannot do because you have a very disappointed energy with whatever things are going on externally or around you or within your head. Okay, so you are not really happy. You are hopeful, you want to hope for the best, you want to believe for the best, you are keeping hope, faith and everything, but things, whatever you are wishing is not coming true, and it is taking a lot of time in your career life, and that is why it is giving you a lot of sadness within yourself. Okay, relationship, someone is coming towards you, Geminians. Okay, someone might be traveling towards you. Okay, and they might be offering a cup of love towards you, but you will be like, you are not interested. You are no more going to give a fuck about this connection. Okay, someone really wants to come, and the people who are into a relationship or into a commitment, long-term commitment. Okay, but are into separation. Okay, so if you have a twin flame connection and you are into separation, then a reconciliation will be happening with you guys. Okay, and if you are into separation and are into karmic connection, then the relationship is going to be get end. Okay, like it will be an abusive relationship only, everything will be ending. Okay, nothing is going to get better. Okay, because the people who are karmic cycles are ending, so karmic partners things will be ending definitely. Okay, So you will be into your own power, you will take your own side, take your own decisions when it comes to this connection, whether you want to accept it or not. But you will be like, you are no more interested in accepting it. Okay, so yes, into your relationship, into your financial life, Geminis, you are moving away from a lot of deceptive energy, strife, jealousy, competition, manipulation, sneaky energies who are playing politics, okay, around you. You are regaining your power back. You are feeling energetic and you are ready to take your own power in the month of August when it comes to your financial life, taking over your financial things, okay, working towards your financial gains and everything. But you are no more going to, listen to anyone who is playing games around this, around your financial stuff. Okay, just be careful about sneaky energies in the month of August who are playing with your finances. Okay, who just take care of your accounts, balance sheets and everything. Okay, in someone might be, ditching you also in the month of August, so just be careful about it. And once you get to know about this person, you will be regaining your power back and you are no more going to give a shit about anyone. Okay, you will be enthusiastic, you will be energetic, you will know that what you are supposed to do. Okay, you will feel very much strengthful, very energetic in the month of August. Why? Because you will be gaining a lot of clarity who was deceptive in the previous months, or who has done, all this kind of stupidity around your, politics, around your politics, around your this political things. Okay, so yeah guys, sorry for the background sound because my family is all about, talking everything, and I cannot help it out because something or the other thing is definitely happening and I cannot help it out. So yeah. So I'm really sorry guys, you have to manage because my family, like my sisters, their their kids are here, so I cannot help it out. So yeah. Sorry guys, I cannot help it out. Okay. Okay, so you have got High Priestess. Okay, so High Priestess is all about you are understanding, you are gaining a lot of clarity about yourself, about your divine soul, and about the people around you who are, have a sneaky energies, who are playing games, who are manipulating you, who are playing politics, who are not good and trustworthy. Okay, you are understanding a lot of facts and situations about that. Okay, yes, you will be very powerful. Okay, when it comes to spiritual awakening. Okay, you are reaching to that level of a spiritual awakening where you are no more going to trust anyone, you are just going to trust your intuition, which you were never used to do it before. Okay, so yes guys, one important thing, one channeling message I'm getting guys is that, uh, someone from the past might come back to offer a cup of love, who left you out, heartbroken. They might be coming back. Okay, and if you are a twin flame connection, reunion, reconciliation will take place. If you are a karmic connection, then things or the relationship is going to get end. Okay, because karmic cycles are ending after 32 years. Okay, so do not feel sad or depressed because you are just, releasing all the past life karmas in this lifetime. Okay, so do not feel sad or, so yeah. You will be manifesting a lot of abundance in the month of August guys, like practically. Wow, third, your cards are really good guys. Wow. Okay, so I have pulled out 4 cards. Let's talk about it. Guys, I cannot help it out. You have to manage it because my sister and his son is here, and now everyone is creating a lot of crowd, and I don't want to work in any other place because my energies doesn't get that kind of vibrancy which I get over here. So I'm not recording it on some other place. That's why. Okay. So universe is telling you stop juggling between two directions, two choices, two decisions. Okay, try to make your own foundations in this lifetime. Okay, just go with the flow. Okay, the universe has a back on you, and universe is supporting you. There's a divine intervention into your life. So just create a foundation about your life. Okay, just basics should be clear, so just create your own life with the solid foundations. Okay, so yes, so universe is telling you that a lot of abundance is coming into your life. Lots and lots of abundance is coming into your life in the month of August. Okay, it will work after 15th of August. A lot of abundance will be coming into your life, guys. Okay, just nurture yourself, focus on yourself, nurture yourself. Okay, work on yourself. Okay, do not think about anything, just be self love, and self care should be your utmost priority in the month of August. Okay, so yes, new visions. August will be full of actions. Okay, August month will be full of new beginnings. August month will be full of new understandings. August month will be full of new opportunities, new life, new visions, new ideas. Okay, so yes, guys, so it's all about new visions, new life, new everything new. Okay, like which you never supposed to do it, you will be doing it. Okay, so yeah. Sorry, guys, my family is like 2 days. I cannot help it out. You have to manage it. Okay. So yes, one healing message for you guys. I'm afraid of change. If you're afraid of change, Geminis. Healing message for fear. If necessary, I am willing to let go of an old identity, lifestyle, relationship, or career so I can grow and develop my potential. Every ending is an opportunity for something new to emerge. Wow, beautiful. So yeah, let's pull out your basic gemstone card, and who are your archangel? Who is your archangel? Okay, for the month of August. This month is going to be like this. I cannot help it out. Okay, so. Wow. So your archangel for the month of August is Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael, Michael. Okay, so the message from your Archangel Michael to you is: I am focused, I see, sense, feel, and know the truth. I follow my intuition. It is easy for me to meditate. My entourage of angels orchestrates my life. I receive messages all the time and follow my internal guidance systems. Wisdom is innate within me. So some of you might be understanding and receiving healing messages from the universe, numbers, or 111222 universal numbers, universal messages from the universe. So try to pay attention, and some of you might be getting dreams also nowadays. So understand it, and do not avoid those messages which universe is giving you. So your gemstone for the month is lapis lazuli, that is lapis lazuli. Are you listening to your own inner guidance? You have to focus on your own inner self. Okay, it's all about healing in the month of August for you guys. Okay, let go of the extra stress in your life, release obstacles that cause frustration, align with the angels, and allow divine orchestration to light your path to bring you to the right place at the right time. Flow and allow your inner guidance to show you the way. Listen to that still small voice within in order to find the answers you seek. Wow. So if you have any questions or doubts about yourself, then kindly understand that you have to work on your inner self. Okay, understanding your inner soul purpose, which you are not doing. understanding yourself. Your Archangel Eichel offers you the protection, faith, clarity, and removal of fear. You are fearful about certain things, but do not be like that, because you know things are about to get changed for better. Okay, because he is all about protecting you, and you know giving you a clarity about your fear, problem, anxiety issues, and about your soul purpose in life on this lifetime. Okay, it's all about your divine guidance. The universe is interfering with you in this divine guidance, but you are not understanding it. That's the important thing, guys. Okay, so I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. And guys, I'm really sorry for the background sound you have to manage, as I have lots of kids. This is the summer vacation time, so all of the kids are here, okay, and I cannot help it out. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Kindly help us to cross 1,000 subscribers. Bye bye, guys. Thank you so much, Gemini's.